welcome to this quick editing tutorial. So in this editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to really easily change a colored image into a black and white image. Now, just in case you don't know, I just thought this editing tutorial is really essential because I know sometimes you want to offer clients or give clients black and white images. You know, if you know Photoshop, you probably already know how to do this, but just in case you don't know, then I'm going to show you in this video. Now, once we do, once I do show you, it is important to go and watch the editing tutorial of how to create an action, because in that, what you can do is, instead of doing this to every single image of what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, you can actually record yourself, and that will create an action. And then what you do is you just play that action onto a batch of images or just a particular image, and that way you don't have to go and do every single one, unless you want to adjust the tones and things like that, like what I'm going to show you here today. So I have this beautiful colored image in front of me for you to see, and I really love black and white images with close-up images, whether they're of clients or babies themselves. So all you have to do is you go up to image in the top menu of Photoshop, and then you just scroll down to adjustments. In adjustments, there is in adjustments, you've got all the brightness, colors, color mixer, channels, color balance, your black and white, vibrance, even in there is hue and saturation. So all you got to do is go down to black and white. Now that will automatically change the whole image into black and white. Now I kind of like it as it is, but let's just say, you know, people want those really darky tones or things like that, then you can play around. What will open up here is this box here, the black and white box, which gives you all the colors, the reds, the yellows, greens, the cyans, blues, magentas, and things like that. So you can adjust according to your liking. Usually it converts it pretty good, you know, standard, but if you want it like dark, you can go darker. If you want it maybe lighter, you can, but I like to keep it, maybe I might play with it a bit here and there depending on the image. So it's pretty much all depends on the image, but you can adjust all those colors and things like that. Once you like it, say we're happy with this, all you got to do is press OK, and it's all done, and then you can save it as a black and white copy. Now, if you record yourself while doing this, you'll create an action. That's why I said earlier in this tutorial, go and watch how to create an action. So if you do want to always be using black and white images, so you don't have to do this to every single image, because can you imagine having 20 images and doing that to every single image? It can be time consuming. So record yourself once, have that action on hand, and then play that throughout the whole images. Then particular images you can go in and edit to your liking, like I just showed you there, the reds, the cyans, the magentas, the yellows, greens, etc. So that's pretty much how you convert a colored image into a black and white image. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.